Cartrefi Cymru Co-operative, we believe in empowering our team to grow, thrive and unlock their full potential. We provide opportunities for personal and professional development, enabling everyone to make a meaningful impact in their careers and the communities we serve.
Highlight of my career with Cartrefi has probably been my progression. I joined as an area manager before progressing to become assistant director for operations, and then became the operations director across the whole of Wales. I became chief executive in February last year.
I thought I would be a support worker forever. Cartrefi's approach to growth and development is very supportive.
I've been with the company for 16 years, started off as a support worker, moved up to ASM, then got the senior management role.
I've enjoyed every single second of working here. You're challenged as well as building great relationships with the people we support and colleagues as well.
Professional growth that I've had, the opportunities for learning and the people I've met have just been amazing, and it's been a real privilege.
I've just grown from strength to strength over the last 2 years. Yeah, it's been amazing.
I started as a support worker, I was promoted to assistant service manager and then into my latest role of service manager.
I've always heard amazing stuff about Cartrefi. The company's approach is really important, and I think it's very supportive to the individuals. I feel like we are like a big family.
What's lovely about Cartrefi is everyone wants to support people to get better, and so there's always opportunity to learn and do different things. We're really keen for people to have as much opportunity as possible.
I've never had such a supportive work environment. To work as part of a group in such a cohesive team that offers professional and emotional encouragement has just been amazing.
I just think it's just growing and learning and progressing, and I think that's what's good about the company, is that there's support there to grow further in the company.
People really come together, work together in the best interest of the people we support, and we support each other really well, I think, and that's pretty special. If you join Cartrefi and you have an interest in supporting people and doing the right thing for people, there's absolutely a career for you.
I would tell them go for it, because just look at me, look at my growth.
My advice would be just do it, you won't regret it.
Go for it, because if I can do it, anyone can.
The support you'll get to better your future and develop in ways you didn't think was possible within your work role is brilliant. They offer roles within support work, management, finance, HR, first aid, any sort of training and everything in between.
Whether you're just starting your journey, seeking a fresh direction or aiming to take your career to the next level, there's no limit to what you can achieve at Cartrefi Cymru Co-operative. Together, we'll help you reach your full potential and make a real difference.